Hello viewers, welcome to the first YouTube video of Happy Slides presentation. In this video, I am going to talk about the rules and tips for your presentation design. Since Microsoft PowerPoint is considered as one of the most powerful presentation design tool, these 7 useful tips is going to help you to maximize your presentation design skill. So let's get started with the tip number 1, that is script. A presentation script will help you to generate impact on your audience and contribute to the potency of your overall presentation design. Basically, a script is considered as the skeleton or outline of your presentation. A proper script helps you to finalize the content, the stats, the facts, and the length of your presentation. A presentation script can be divided into 3 parts: the beginning, the middle, and the end. Let's say, for example, if you want to talk about a mobile phone. So the beginning part of the presentation will talk about the product or about the company. Basically, it is the introduction that you are giving about the product. Now comes the middle part of the script. Here the main points of the presentation is being discussed. When it comes to this case, it is the features of the mobile phone. Now comes the last part of the script. Usually it will be the contact information shared with the audience or the overall conclusion note about the presentation. So after the tip number 1, that is script, now we are moving on to the second tip, that is wireframe. This is how a wireframe of the presentation looks like. Creating a proper wireframe helps you to decide in the layout style, the placement, the animations, and transitions of your deck. Tip number 3, less text. Always include less text in your presentation. More text means crowded layout. Always keep your slides minimalistic. If you refer the presentation design style of Steve Jobs, he always preferred the presentations with less text. Tip number 4, 6x6 rule. The 6x6 rule means maximum of 6 bullet points per slide and 6 words per bullet. Leaving more white or empty space on the slide helps the people to focus more on your key lines. Tip number 5, less colors. Using too many colors in your presentation is not a good idea. Always try to keep the colors simple. If you want to check on more colors, check the link. Tip number 6, that is fonts. Avoid overstyling the text and multiple fonts. Always try to use sans-serif fonts. Try to stick with one font or choose 2 the most. Always try to stick with 30 points for the headline and 18 points for the body copy. Tip number 7, that is images and themes. The images you choose for your presentation are perhaps as important as the message. Use the theme and images which support the message. Try using relatable, authentic, and inspirational images. So next time when you design your presentation, remember these 7 tips which helps you to deliver a clear, powerful visual message to your audience. See you in our next video.